In this video, we are actually going to play a game. I'm going to show you different phases of mitosis, and I will pause and ask you, which phase of mitosis is this? Is this prophase, metaphase, anaphase, or telophase? So pay attention to what is happening in this cell. This is the parent cell that's going to divide into two daughter cells. Pause whenever you need to in order to observe the details of what is happening. Write down your answer, and then I will say the correct answer and you can check yours. So let's begin. We are getting a closer look on the nucleus. We can see that the chromosomes are condensing and they are duplicating. Which phase is this? The chromosomes were condensed and the nuclear envelope disappeared. Pause the video and write down your answer. So the answer is prophase. This was prophase. Now we see the chromosomes lining up at the equator of the cell and the spindle forming. Which phase is this? I will say the answer now. This is metaphase. The chromosomes line up at the equator of the cell and attach to the spindle fibers that form the spindle structure. Next, sister chromatids are pulled apart to the opposite poles of the cell. What is this phase of mitosis? The answer is anaphase. And finally, to finish up cellular division, the cell actually divides into two daughter cells. Now, what phase of mitosis is this one? The answer is telophase. So there we go. We have two daughter cells. Of course, the chromatin will decondense. We have two daughter cells that are identical to each other and to the parent cell.